Hey guys, it's Sabrina here and welcome back to my channel. Let me just adjust myself real quick accordingly. As you can see by today's caption, I'm doing a video dedicated to 5 tips that I have for selling on Poshmark. So if you don't know what Poshmark is an app that you can download on your phone for Android or iPhone or iOS, and you can view it online at Poshmark.com. So it is an app and a website where you can buy and sell used or new with tags or even boutique or wholesale items. I have been on the Poshmark app since 2013 and I've had made about $3,000 in sales so far using this app. I am starting my journey as a part-time reseller on the Poshmark app to make additional side income, and I just thought I would sit down with you since I have this opportunity. Just so you guys know, Poshmark is sponsoring this video. This is my very first sponsored video. I have done a video on Poshmark before, so if you guys want to check out that video, I will have it linked up here and in the description down below. But I did just write down a couple of things that I just wanted to go over with you. So if you haven't heard of Poshmark before, if you have heard about it, you have not signed up, or if you are on Poshmark, you have your own closet and you are reselling your old clothing or are interested in getting into the reselling part of it, just stay tuned. So with having the Poshmark app, you can use it on your phone, like I said, or on the computer. And what I recommend doing is having a good thumbnail for your photos. So essentially when you are scrolling in your closet or in your profile, they will see one picture for each item that you list. So my recommendations for that, in my bedroom, as you can see, I do have pretty good lighting, so I recommend having good lighting, and I take a picture of the front of the item, the back of the item, the size tag, and if I can find it, the wash instructions. I pretty much do that just to save on time, so instead of writing all of that stuff down in the description box, there are photos above that will let the person know who's interested in the item, the care instructions, the size, and everything else like that. The second thing that I recommend is having at least 10 listings in your closet. That's kind of what Poshmark suggests and what I suggest as well, just because we do offer, or Poshmark does offer, discounts. So you can, people can purchase multiple items from your closet and just pay for the flat rate shipping. So the more items you have in the closet, potentially more items that person could buy. With that, if you have a lot of items that you're wanting to get rid of, or if you're starting to do the reselling, I recommend doing 5 items per week as far as new listings goes. And the reasoning for that is just because when you add new listings to your closet, it's going to go show on Poshmark's normal news feed, and the more items with like Poshmark's algorithm, the more items that you're listing consistently on a weekly basis, they're gonna want to share your listings because you are active on the Poshmark app. The next thing that I have is sharing your items daily. So in your closet, there is a share item. There is a share button. So you can share your listings in your closet to the main store, which is when you initially open up the Poshmark app. You have your news feed, kind of like Facebook. So if you think about it like that, if you share a post, it's gonna go on the top of that person's news feed. So it's kind of the same situation. So you can individually share all of your listings and it'll show up in the main news feed. Otherwise, Poshmark does do parties where you can share your items to those specific parties at those given times. A lot of the common ones are, there's like a Free People Nike Lululemon party, there is a makeup party, there's just a lot of different parties, and a lot of the times, also when you are sharing your listings to go into the normal newsfeed or in the parties, people who like your items will also share them as well. So that's another way for your listings to get traffic for them to sell. Okay, the next thing would be with being Poshmark and having all of your listings, you can, one, offer a bundle discount. So personally in my closet, which I will have linked down below if you want to check it out, is if you purchase 2 items, you get 10% off. Otherwise, there is another feature that's called offers to likers. So anybody who has liked your items in your closet, you can send them an offer. I believe it has to be discounted at least 10%, and you have to offer a shipping discount. So as of right now, shipping costs $6.79, and that covers up to 5 pounds. So if somebody purchases 8 shirts and it's still underneath the 5 pounds, they just pay the $6.79. If it's above the 5 pounds, then you as the seller have to pay for the additional shipping, which 5 pounds, I mean, that's a lot of stuff that can go in there. And then going along with the pricing of shipping, excuse me, I can't talk. So once the purchase has been made, Poshmark directly sends an email to you with the prepaid shipping label. So there's no additional work for you on your part. You can either go to your email, print it out, print off the shipping label from there. Otherwise, you can I can't talk. You can directly download it from your phone or on the app to your phone to then print it out. So I have an HP printer that is connected to my Wi-Fi, so I can easily take the shipping label from my email or the app and just print it off. So it's super, super easy. And then with Poshmark selling doing their shipping through priority shipping, the post office has free boxes for priority shipping. So there are small, medium, and large size boxes that you can pick up at your local post office to ship those items out. I know a lot of the times as well, if I run out of priority mail boxes, I just use recycled boxes that I have at home and recycled packaging. I think there's nothing wrong with that, and it definitely helps save on the environment. I know a lot of people really do like having a super fancy package with tissue paper and a super cute poly mailer, and when I do have that available, I will wrap it up really cute and also add a thank you note. A thank you note is very, very kind and sweet, and I have so many of them from all of my purchases from being on the Poshmark app. So it's just a nice way to pay it forward, thank that person for their sale, and have them to come visit your closet anytime. And like I said, if I run out, I will reuse old packaging and whatnot, because I, as a buyer, know that once you make that purchase, you want to get that package as soon as possible. And then with that, this is kind of like a little side thing, there is a thing called Posh Stats. So basically with Posh Stats, it will let you know how many days on average it takes you to ship out your items, any reviews that other people have left for you or you have left for them. So you get a rating on that. It'll let you know how many self-shares you have, and I know there is a new mentor one. So if you share items from somebody's closet who is new to Poshmark, there's another stat on that. So I am a top mentor. I am a Posh ambassador. And yeah, I just think it's super cool. I love the Poshmark app. It is so easy just to list your items. People will buy it, or they can make an offer too. You can accept the offer. It's just so easy to ship. Once they receive it, they have about 3 days to review if they liked it or if there was an issue with it or anything like that. And then you automatically get your money after the Poshmark fees. And then you can either keep it in your account to save it for a rainy day and buy clothes on Poshmark, or you can transfer it either to a PayPal or a banking account. So that is pretty much everything that I'm going to have for this video. It was a lot of sitting, a lot of chatting. I hope you guys got a lot of useful information. And if you have not gone on the Poshmark app before and you are creating a new account, I will, like I said, have a link down below. My username for my closet is sbeanie525. So BEANIE 525. That is my closet, and right now I do have a lot of women's clothing. I am going to be decluttering my makeup and my skincare and more of my clothes, so you will see more and more stuff very, very soon. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to do more in the future. If you have a Poshmark closet, please leave your username down below. I would be more than happy to check it out and share your items. But that is all I'm going to have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!